I make sure that students and parents know that if choosing between ACT and SAT, you do not have to worry about which carries more clout. That has not been an issue for 25 years. There is no regional difference of one set of colleges preferring ACT, another preferring SAT. They get enough applicants and want applicants from all regions that colleges don't discriminate and they don't think of one as a sort of weaker sister than the other. Now, we do have a slight preference if you are going to take one of the two and not both. We, as of fall 2017, prefer the ACT, and that's because of coachability. The ACT has stayed the same for over 20 years. Slight change to the science format, otherwise totally the same. SAT has dramatically changed in 2016 and is still undergoing experimental changes. That makes it harder for any coaches to keep up with. We want to coach to standards, and thankfully the ACT provides a rock-solid standard. SAT, we're still good coaches of, but nobody is a great coach of it when itself you have to be studying lots of areas because of the uncertainty. So, we like as much certainty as possible. Going for both tests makes a lot of sense, but if you have to choose one, that coachability seems to give the advantage towards ACT. Now, one advantage that SAT has is that the colleges, more of them superscore the SAT than the ACT. Superscoring will help any student who's taking the SAT multiple times or ACT multiple times if the colleges are superscoring the ACT. 95% of competitive colleges superscore the SAT. Only about 55% of competitive colleges superscore the ACT. And that means to get a great 4-section score, if there's no superscoring, you've got to nail all 4 sections on the same day. When there is superscoring, it means you can get away with 2 good sections on one date, 2 good sections on another date. They put them together, give you a high composite. All right, final warning. The tables that used to guide ACT versus SAT as a correlation are no longer trustworthy because the SAT has elevated its average. Average now for college-bound students is about an 1100. 2 years ago, the test was different. The average was 1040. And that means that an ACT, say, of 20, which was average, now is actually a little above average compared to SAT takers. So beware of the charts dictating what you do. Let us help if you need it.